Hey guys, today is Thursday, May 14th, and my name is Mrs. Carr. Hi, how are y'all? And today is our last lesson of the week for science. We're doing our learned behaviors. We're going to watch this video. Lions, look at them, they're just eating away. Okay, and then you're going to read this little paragraph. That's it. That's all you're reading for today. So no big long paragraphs, no long pages. And then you're going to answer these questions based on what you read and saw in the video in your discussion. So if we go over here to Schoology, you'll notice right here is your discussion board. Okay? And then, if you still have time, you're going to complete your post-assessment. And you can, complete your post-assessment. And then share your answers with your teacher in Schoology. And that's it for, and then that's it for the district curriculum. The only other thing that we're going to have you guys do today is, the quizzes is also going to be posted here so that you don't have to do it tomorrow. We're trying to make this a 4-day week for you guys. Field Trip Friday is tomorrow, so no work tomorrow if you get your quizzes done today. And that's it for today. All right, guys, if you have any questions, as always, please hit us up in Teams. You know you can chat with us. You can video us. Whatever it is that you need, we're here for you guys. All right? And then also you can message us in Schoology. All right, guys. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.